In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member or collaborator in ManyChat. First, make sure you're logged into your ManyChat account and you're viewing the correct workspace for the bot or brand you want to collaborate on. From the dashboard, start on the Home tab. This is your control center. And beginning here ensures you're in the right place before changing any settings. Next, open Settings. You'll find it in the main navigation. Settings is where account-level controls live, including permissions and access, so this is the hub for inviting other people to your workspace. Inside Settings, go to the Team Members section. This page shows everyone who currently has access, along with their roles. It's a good place to quickly review who can do what before adding someone new. Now click the button to invite new member. This begins the invite flow and prepares ManyChat to assign the right level of access. You're not granting access yet, you're just starting the process that will generate the invitation. Before you create the invite, choose the role you want this person to have. Roles define what your collaborator can see and do, such as building flows, managing live chat, or administering billing and settings. Pick the role that matches the work they'll be responsible for, and follow the principle of least privilege. Give only the permissions they truly need. You can always adjust or upgrade their role later if their responsibilities expand. After selecting the role, click Generate a Link. ManyChat will create a unique invitation link tied to the role you chose. This link lets the collaborator accept the invite and automatically join your workspace with the correct permissions. No manual setup needed on their end. Note that generating invite links is available on premium plans. If you don't see the option to create a link, your current plan may not support it. In that case, upgrade to a plan that includes team collaboration to proceed. Once the link is generated, copy it. Share this invite link securely with your collaborator using a trusted channel. Let them know they'll be prompted to log in and accept the invitation, and once they do, they'll appear in your team members list under the role you assigned. If you ever need to change access, return to the team members page to edit roles or remove access. That's it. Start on Home, open Settings, go to Team Members, invite, choose the right role, generate the link, and then copy and share it. Follow these steps and you'll add collaborators to ManyChat quickly and safely.